Hi, my name is Grace Solomon. The topic of my Unit 7 assignment is Human Nutrition and the Digestive System. Introduction. In this section 1, I'm required to deliver a presentation that explains the following areas: the structure and functions of the digestive system, the process of mechanical and chemical digestion, including the optimum condition for the enzyme involved. I am going to discuss at least two specific named enzymes. For example, pepsin, the constituent food groups of a balanced diet, and to provide example of their source. In this presentation, I'll be showing slides using PowerPoint in supporting the delivery of my presentation and providing all the notes I have used throughout. The mouth. The mouth is the first organ in the digestive system, and it is a cavity in which the teeth and tongue are located, as well as the salivary glands. The mouth's role is to cut and crush the food with the teeth, as well as to digest starch into sugar. The esophagus. The esophagus is divided into four layers. The inner layer in the mucosa, it is wet to aid in the smooth passage of the food through the stomach. Mucus producing glands are found in the submucosa. The esophagus is kept wet as a result of this. The mucolaris is the layer of muscle. It causes food to be pushed down into the stomach. The adventitia is the outermost layer of the organism. It connects the esophagus to the rest of the body. The small intestine. The small intestine is the digestive system longest segment. It is made up of three sections: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum, and it runs from the stomach to the large intestine. The small intestine primary responsibilities are to complete food digestion and to absorb nutrients. The large intestine. The large intestine is one long tube. Distinct things occur in different portions of it. The colon, rectum, and anus are its three sections. The colon can also be broken down into sections. The cecum, which is roughly 6 inches long, is the point of entry. The ascending colon, which travels up, the transverse colon, which travels across the left, the descending colon, which travels down, and the sigmoid colon, headed back across to the right. The accessory organ, which is the digestive system accessory structure. It's mainly three types, which are liver, the gallbladder, and pancreas. Pancreas. The pancreas produces digestive fluid containing enzymes that break down carbs, lipid, and protein through small tubes known as duct. The pancreas sends digestive juice to the small intestine. The pile. Pile is stored in the gallbladder between meals. When you eat, your gallbladder squeezes pile into your small intestine through the pile duct. Liver. Your liver produces pile, a digestive juice that aids in the digestion of fats and several vitamins. Bile ducts transport pile from your liver to your gallbladder for storage or to the small intestine for usage. The mechanical and chemical organ. Mechanical digestion is a physical exercise that we do with our mouth while chewing. Chemical digestion is this process in which our saliva mixes up while chewing in our mouth. Digestive begins with mastication. Better digestion is made possible by chewing food, which increases its surface area. The food chewed after entering mouth is called bolus. Food is moved through the digestive tract by the sequence of waves like muscle contraction called peristalsis. The process begins in the esophagus where powerful waves of smooth muscle travel balls of swallowed food to the stomach. A liquid mixture known as chyme is created there and it travels into the small intestine where peristalsis continues. Digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes are naturally occurring chemical. It's produced by the digestive system to help in the digestion of meal. Digestive enzymes have two particular enzymes which are the active ones. They are pepsin and amylase. Pepsin enzyme is a digestive enzyme that chemically digests protein or breaks them down into shorter chain of amino acids. Amylase enzyme is a digestive enzyme found in saliva that converts complicated carbohydrate like starch into simpler sugar like glucose. So now, I would like to say the problem in terms of how factors of pH and temperature could affect enzymes. The speed of enzyme reaction rises along temperature. Most enzymes become 50 to 100% more active with a 10-degree centigrade rise in temperature. Results may alter by 10% to 20% as a result of temperature variation in the reaction that as minor as 1 or 2 degrees. This rise only lasts so long until the enzyme structure is compromised by the increased temperature. The enzyme cannot be repaired once it has been denatured. Each enzyme has a particular structure as well as unique linkage between amino enzyme and peptide. Hence, each enzyme has variation denaturing temperature. The 5 food groups and its serving size example. 5 main groups make balanced diet because in your food you must have carbohydrate, protein, fruits and vegetables and healthy fats. Each food offers the vitamin and minerals our system requires to function properly. In the 5 food groups, we've got vegetable, which we can serve carrots, leafy greens, green pepper, broccoli and celery, as well as the fruits, banana, oranges, strawberries, apple and grapes. Protein food consists of meat, our poultry, fish, beans, nut butter, egg, and so on. In our dairy, we've got milk, soya milk, yogurt, cheese. And in our grains, we've got oatmeal, pasta, tortilla, bagel, and bread. All these 5 food groups contain the main balanced diets for us to function properly. Thank you.